Have you ever looked in the mirror and thought, I'm not good enough? Or stopped yourself from trying something new just because you felt you'd fail? You are not alone. Self-doubt affects every one of us, from students to SOs, from artists to engineers. But what if I told you, self-doubt isn't your enemy? It's a signal, a message. And today, you'll learn how to overcome it, once and for all. Overcoming self-doubt, the no-nonsense way. This video will give you real, practical ways to beat self-doubt, no fluff, no complex psychology, just straight talk you can actually use. Let's start with the basics. Self-doubt is that little voice in your head that says, I can't do this, or, what if I fail? It often shows up before big decisions, new opportunities, or challenges. And guess what? It's completely normal. Self-doubt comes from fear of failure, fear of judgment, fear of not being good enough. It's your brain trying to protect you. But here's the twist, while it's trying to protect you, it's also holding you back. Imagine wanting to start a YouTube channel, but you keep thinking, who would watch me? That thought alone can stop you before you even try. That's self-doubt in action. Here's the truth. Self-doubt never goes away completely. But successful people learn how to act in spite of it. Because if you let it control you, you'll miss out on chances, jobs, relationships, growth, and your dreams. Think of all the things you haven't done just because you doubted yourself. Now imagine what your life could look like if you moved forward anyway. So, how do we actually deal with self-doubt? Let's keep it simple. Here are 5 no-nonsense strategies. 1. Take small actions. Don't wait to feel confident. Action creates confidence. Start small, write that blog post, send that email, record that video. Confidence will follow. 2. Talk to yourself like a friend. Would you ever tell your friend, you're not good enough? No, right? So why say it to yourself? Replace negative self-talk with kind, realistic words. You don't have to lie, just don't bully yourself. 3. Collect evidence. Start a wins folder. Every time you do something you're proud of, write it down or save a screenshot. When self-doubt hits, look back at it. Remind yourself, you've done hard things before. 4. Focus on progress, not perfection. Perfection is a trap. No one starts off amazing. Your first step will be messy. That's okay. Focus on getting better, not being perfect. 5. Surround yourself with encouraging people. Who you talk to matters. If you're always around negative people, you'll doubt yourself more. Find those who lift you up, even if it's through books, videos, or mentors online. Self-doubt doesn't mean you're weak. It means you're growing. Every big goal will come with fear. That's the price of growth. But now you have the tools to push through it. So, the next time you hear that voice saying, I can't do this, just smile and say, watch me. If this video helped you, share it with someone who needs a boost today. And don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment. What's one thing you've been holding back from because of self-doubt? Let's talk about it.